Have you ever wondered about the origins of one of the most influential books in human history, the Torah? Today, we take a deep dive into the rich history, the profound wisdom, and the enduring significance of this sacred text. In the beginning, there was the oral tradition. The stories, laws, and teachings that would eventually form the Torah were initially passed down from generation to generation through the spoken word. The roots of this tradition stretch back over 3,000 years to the time of Moses, who is traditionally considered the author of the Torah. But it was not until the first millennium BCE that these oral traditions began to be written down. This process took place over several centuries and involved numerous scribes and scholars. The result was the 5 books of Moses, or the Pentateuch, which make up the Torah as we know it today. The Torah is written in Hebrew, a language that is as rich and complex as the text itself. Each word, each letter, even each stroke of a letter, holds deep significance. The Hebrew language allows for multiple interpretations of the Torah's text, which has led to a rich tradition of commentary and debate that continues to this day. By the time of the Second Temple period, roughly 2,000 years ago, the Torah had taken on the form that we are familiar with today. It was during this period that the practice of reading the Torah publicly was established, a tradition that continues in synagogues around the world. The Torah has not been a static text. Throughout the centuries, it has been studied, interpreted, and commented upon by countless scholars. This ongoing process of interpretation, known as midrash, has resulted in a vast body of literature that enriches our understanding of the Torah. Today, the Torah remains a central pillar of Jewish life and thought. It is read weekly in synagogues, studied in depth in yeshivas, and serves as the foundation for Jewish law and ethics. But its influence extends beyond the Jewish community. As the first part of the Christian Old Testament, the Torah has also had a profound impact on Christian thought and tradition. In conclusion, the Torah is far more than a historical or religious text. It is a living tradition, a source of wisdom, and a guide for life. From its origins in the oral tradition, through its formation and interpretation, to its ongoing significance today, the Torah continues to shape our understanding of the world and our place in it. To recap, we've journeyed from the Torah's beginnings as an oral tradition to its documentation in written form, then through its evolution in language, interpretation, and ritualistic practices. We've also touched on its profound influence in today's world within and beyond the Jewish community. The Torah's narrative, while ancient, continues to resonate with us, offering timeless wisdom and guidance.